Hello everyone and welcome to another episode, well, first episode of Sarah's Shitty Products, where I will be reviewing some of the worst items, not necessarily beauty, but just in general, the worst products that I have used, tried, attempted to get along with. So, first things first, we're going to talk about the worst eyeliner I have ever used on my eyes, ever. And I've used a lot of eyeliners, but this one is just the biggest bag of wank I have ever used. And it is this bad boy. The Maybelline Tattoo Liner 36 hours. 36 hours, you say? Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I got this when it was on offer. I think it was like buy 2 Maybelline items, get one free. So I actually ended up with 2 of these. And I wish I'd ended up with none. So let's start with the name, Tattoo Liner. Tattoo gives you the idea that it is going to be long lasting. Let's just jump into it and have a little look at the actual bottle. So it looks like this. It's the usual kind of thing that I do like. It's like got a foamy kind of applicator. Yeah, 0.08 fluid ounces. And yeah, this thing, it's genuinely terrible. And I've looked at the reviews of it and the reviews are not bad, so I don't know how people are using this eyeliner, but if you are wanting like heavier eyeliner, this is wank. Like if you are just lining like the bottom of your eye or whatever, like near your lashes, probably fine. If you want to do a winged liner with this, you are going to be in a world of absolute anger within like 20 minutes of it drying. Seriously, like this thing is the worst thing I've ever put on my eyes. So texture itself, it looks like this. It looks shiny, and it is shiny, but it stays shiny, and then it gloops together. Like if you have like even the slightest crease like on your eye, it's gonna fall into that crease, and then it's gonna like, I don't know, it's kind of like nothing that I've ever used before. It kind of clumps together and then cracks. It is genuinely like nothing I have ever used before. Even by the time like I have finished putting this on my eyes, it is starting to crack. So it clings to creases and it cracks, and then by an hour in, it's like completely come away from, like if you've got like a little crease, like I have a tiny crease, like I've got hooded eyes, so like where the crease is in there, it's like it's gone. Like it looks like you've not put eyeliner like on one little line. It's genuinely so bad. Like I genuinely don't know how they could have called this like 36 hour wearing when it's not. It's like I cannot wear this eyeliner at all because it will not last through an hour without being cracked and horrible and stuff. I was wearing it this morning. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna start a new bottle. I'm gonna, you know, I've already tried one of them. I'm gonna try the other one and see how that one goes on. It's exactly the same. This is genuinely the worst product. I would not recommend at all. So this is dried now, and I bet I can just rub it off. To nothing. Like it kind of forms into a paste which you can just literally just rub off. And I don't, who have they tested this on where they said that it lasts 36 hours? Because it doesn't last 36 fucking minutes. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this product is a wank product. I do not recommend you buy it because it will be the bane of your existence. For other ones that are good, I believe Maybelline is the one that I normally use, like the normal eyeliner that I do use. But I can't remember what it's called. I'll put a link to it in the down bar. Anyway, the one that I normally use, and it is perfect. It doesn't crease, it doesn't budge. It's brilliant. But this, it's just a massive gimmick. Oh, this kid over the road with a Seth Rollins t-shirt on. I'm gonna go and throw this piece of crap at him. No, not really. But yeah, I would definitely suggest buying something different. My normal eyeliner is like £6 or something. This is like $12.99. Do not buy this. This is bad. Do not buy. Do not buy. So yeah, that is my anger taken out for the day. If you like more of these videos, I will definitely do more. If you don't, I won't. So there you go. Lila's here in the background chilling out. I like her. She gets a good review. Very good review. So yeah, that is episode 1 of whatever this is. I don't know. But anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Adios!